Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wondered how to take a flat two-dimensional image, like your logo, an icon, or any simple design, and make it pop in 3D, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through an easy way to turn any 2D element into a slick 3D graphic, all inside Canva. So by the end of this video, you'll be able to transform your designs and really make them stand out, whether it's for a presentation, your business, or just for fun. Let's jump right in and get started. First, head over to Canva. If you haven't already created an account, it's totally free and only takes a minute, but I'm going to assume you're logged in and ready to go. On the Canva dashboard, look for that big Create a Design button. Go ahead and click it. Now, instead of picking one of Canva's preset sizes, click on the option for custom size. We're going to set up a new canvas with dimensions of 100 by 50 pixels. That size is a nice, wide rectangle which works well for logos and other horizontal graphics, and it keeps things super crisp for our 3D effect. Once you have your new blank design open, it's time to bring in the image or element you want to convert. This could be your personal or company logo, a favorite sticker, or even some simple text you want to give a fresh, dimensional look. Just upload your 2D image from your computer, or choose something from Canva's own library if you're just experimenting. Now here comes the real magic, the 3D conversion. On the left panel, click on Apps. This is where all of Canva's add-ons and special features live. In the search box at the top, type 3D Maker. It should pop right up. Go ahead and open the 3D Maker app. With the app open, select your image and you'll see a variety of adjustments you can make. There might be sliders or different styles you can apply, things like bevels, shadow, lighting, and more. Take a moment here to play around with the settings. For instance, adding a subtle shadow or tweaking the direction of the light can make a huge difference in how realistic your 3D effect feels. If you're unsure which setting to use, try to imagine how real objects look on your desk or around your room. Shadows should fall in a natural direction, and highlights usually sit on the top edges. This is a good way to make sure your 3D effect feels grounded and believable. Take your time here, don't worry if it takes a few tries to get it looking how you want. Sometimes, even slight changes in depth or shadow can totally change the vibe. You can always reset or undo if it doesn't look quite right. When you're happy with the look of your 3D element, just click to add it back to your design. And that's pretty much it. Your 2D image is now transformed into a sharp-looking 3D version ready to use. You can resize it, duplicate it, or even combine it with other elements in Canva to build out a whole new look. So whether you're updating your logo, spicing up a project, or just experimenting with new visual styles, you now have a quick and easy way to make any flat graphic pop in 3 dimensions. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Canva trick you want to learn. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward creative tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.